According to the sewer line here at 1641 10th Ave East. Here, let me switch spots with you. 10th Ave East. According to this from the clean out, I'm going to pull back from here. We're going to take a look at this and decide whether it's lineable from the clean out here. Looking at the city main there. Footage is zeroed out. Well, there is it zeroed. There we're at 0 now. So coming back, old clay pipe. So there's a seam every 3 feet. These seams are where you start seeing the damage and where roots will come in.
Were you just at the sewer?
Yeah, I was at the main. So that's the main.
Oh, that's the main. Okay.
Yes, so
could I just look at that connection?
Yeah.
Just a little bit. Oh, fascinating. Okay, cool.
Yeah. It's just a tap that the city puts on there and it comes out. So there is something connecting into the sewer. Now it could be abandoned. According to the map, it shouldn't be anything. Mm-hmm. But the way that we generally do these... Hey Michael, how are you doing?
Good.
The way we would generally deal with something like this would be to leave a small gap in the liner for that. Mm-hmm. Or, with you guys signing off on it, we could... If you want to look at what I'm taking a look...
What are you finding?
There's something tying into the pipe down under the street. Maybe another connection. It could have been used when they installed it as some kind of a test tee. It shows a connection coming into the pipe, and it's impossible to, well, it's not impossible, but we could, when they're in the street like this, lining over them, like lining past it, and then coming back a month later and finding out we lined past either a stormwater connection or somebody else's connection into the sewer, and then having to dig up in the road to get it back in business can be a nightmare. So what we generally do is leave a small gap in the liner where that comes in, or have you guys sign off and say, hey, if we do line past whatever this is, then we'll be on the hook to dig.
There's not really a way to find out.
I mean, we could have...
It's the neighbors.
That's the only other person I could think, or some kind of a storm drain coming into the line, which is pretty rare, but...
The storm drain is at the end of the corner.
Yeah, so what we would do is have you sign off, and it's my feeling is that it's not anything. That it was probably used when they installed it to do some sort of a test on the line. But there's always this possibility that it's something beyond
and if
that.
it is, it'll show up wherever it comes from.
It'll back up. Yeah, we'll line past it, and we'll find out at that point that it's backing up past there.
Could we observe it and see if anything comes out of it?
I mean, as far as... I don't see anything coming out of it now. You see what I'm talking about? That connection there at the kind of...
Yeah.
So we're only right now 12 feet back off of the main, so we're still under the street.
And that's the
This is the connection
here. Yeah. Up there.
Something coming in there.
And you're 12 feet down?
I'm 12 feet back from the main, so I was.
So you're really down in the street.
Pulled back, so I'm underneath the street sidewalk somewhere in right in that area.
Jesus. So I'm surprised at that.
Do you guys know this neighbor up here at all? Yeah. Do you?
Mm-hmm. We might have to just call and see if
you think he could flush a toilet or run if you could run some water and flush a couple toilets now, we could kind of rule out him being the
you have
connection.
His number? Oh, good.
And I'm not.
I would be surprised if it's him.
Yes, me too. And I'm surprised if I'd be surprised if it was
so far off.
Yeah, I'd be surprised if it was anything connecting to this. Like I said, a lot of times they use these for some kind of testing. But this is where we put it, the onus kind of on you guys.
On the other side of me, those 3 houses to the...
I'm going to resume the recording coming back here still now. There's a tie in there at the top of the pipe. We're trying to determine what that is. Concrete. And then plastic there. So we got about 23 feet of 6-inch. So would we install a liner there? There's the neighbor tie-in there. So we'd have to end the liner right about there, and then get it down to the main. So this plastic has a ton of grade, but there are a series of smaller turns. 45 there.
Okay. I might prefer
turn there. And up out of the old clean out.
Yeah, but that's... Well, we found something cut out a segment.
Clean out is about 19 feet or so. Alright, I'm ending the recording there.